Meir Pinto reporting to you from Israel. As the fighting in the Gaza Strip continues, the IDF is conducting fierce battles against Hamas terrorists in the neighborhood of Jabalia. Every day, the IDF is gaining more ground, but the challenge is that Hamas is reinforcing its fighters with weapons and more militants through the Indonesian Hospital. Same as we saw in the Shifa Medical Center, the Indonesian Hospital is another base of operation for Hamas terrorists. And at the moment, IDF forces are forming a siege surrounding the hospital in order to neutralize the terrorists within and prevent them from supplying more ammunition and fighters to the rest of the neighborhood. In the past 24 hours, the IDF has been conducting operations to capture the Arimal neighborhood in the Gaza Strip that is built for the leadership of Hamas and is considered a wealthy neighborhood in Gaza filled with villas and big houses. During the operations, the IDF took over a school and found in its basement a weapons stockpile the size of a basketball court filled with ammunitions, missiles, and other military equipment designed to carry out Hamas's terror operations against Israel. Moreover, the IDF was able to destroy the exit points of these tunnels before striking the buildings that Hamas militants were firing from. As the militants attempted to escape and enter the tunnels, they were locked within, and the IDF was able to destroy the tunnels and collapse them on top of Hamas's terrorists. It appears as if the majority of Hamas's leadership already escaped the northern part of the Gaza Strip and is taking shelter in the southern part of the Gaza Strip in the areas surrounding Khan Yunis or Rafah. And the militants that remained in the northern part are lower levels of Hamas terrorists. While conducting searches in the houses of Hamas leadership, the IDF was able to find plans and the locations of special missile factories that were creating chemical weapons that were meant to be fired towards Israel during this battle. The Israeli Air Force was able to identify and destroy these weapons factories before they caused any chemical damage to Israel. This was one of Israel's fears since the beginning of this operation. In the northern part against Lebanon, it seems as if Hezbollah was weakened by its war in Syria and within Lebanon, but the fighting continues